early sun on my face. Out back roads, wide open space. Back to gear, yeah, we're on the way. Rowing daily, living day by day. Rowan and Jackie, we're on the road. Every mile, stories unfold. So keep it a rolling flow. Haunted tracks where the good vibes go. Windows down, feel that brace. Chasing dreams with days. Oh, no worries, just a view. Sail your me and you.
Your Parramatta just over there.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Parramatta. Where the girlies over there, the female facilities are there, and the males are straight down there past the rubbish bins.
Oh, yeah, in the back.
Yep. No worries.
Thank you.
If there's anything you need, give us a yell.
Alright,
Alright, thank you.
Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Kasia, Caravan Park. Ito yung area natin na laki, oh. Kasia, dalawang sasakyan. Kasi ito yung power source natin for tonight. May nag-overheat pa, oh, ng itim, oh. Pwede tayong kumuha ng tubig. Malaki yung area natin. Pwede tayong mag-owning dito. Ito yung amenities and camp kitchen. Pwede ka magluto dito. Flat iron grill. Tapos ito, pizza oven. Abangan nyo yung next vlog nito. Babiyahe ulit tayo na malayo. Break-in ng suspension natin so far. Dumaan tayo kanina sa corrugated road. Hindi naman matigas. O dahil mabigat yung dala natin kumpara sa magaan. Matagtag pag magaan. Pero hindi naman. Not bad. Okay naman. Yung exhaust natin walang tagas kasi na-seal naman siya, yun o. No cracks. Solid ang welding, malalaki yung welding nila, oh. Hindi nag-melt yung plastic, although medyo malapit yan dito kumpara sa gilid malayo, pero hindi siya nag-melt, kaya ayos lang. Habang maliwanag pa, pumunta muna kami sa town instead na magluto kasi naisip namin na kakain na lang sa labas. So mag-take away na lang kami para hindi na kami magluto kasi malamig sa labas, para maaga tayo makahiga at maaga rin ang alis natin bukas. So see you guys tomorrow. At kung gusto mo pa ng Buhay Australia content, follow for more!